Even heat distribution, durable aluminium body, and delivers excellent heat conduction all around with no dead zones or hot spots. PFOA Free Healthy, multi-layer nonstick interior coating is free of PFOA&BPA and provides ultimate food release and vivid nano-ceramic exterior for a better cooking experience. Soft Stay Cool Handle. Soft silicone handle stays cool to the touch and provides a comfortable, non-slip grip during daily use. Oven Dishwasher Safe. It's suitable for all hobs except for induction. Oven safe up to 177, 350. Dishwasher Safe allows a quick and easy clean. Packing list. This product comes with one-piece 9.5, 24 cm, open frying pan and one-piece 11, 28 cm, open frying pan. An Amazon brand. Top reviews from the United States. Bang for the buck. The pans are of higher quality than the low price would suggest. There were no issues whatsoever. Coating on the inside and color on the outside were solid, no production issues. Can recommend if you are looking for a pan in this price segment.